What is going on, guys? Welcome back to Changing People's Life YouTube channel. If you're new here, subscribe and all that good stuff. But today's video we're talking about hater, criticism, bullies, and all that nasty stuff. So here's the thing. When someone is hating on you, making fun of you, talking crap behind your back, stabbing you or trying to pull you down, you might be heading the right direction, or you might just take that in the wrong way. So when someone says something to you, whether it's good or bad, like it's their stage of being as a person. It does not reflect on you. It's how they are as a person. Okay, just imagine that you have a business, a successful business, and you have an office, and someone is walking by your office, decided to come inside and try to talk you down, says bad stuff about you and your company. Okay, ask this question every time you get hate or when someone try to pull you down. Ask this question: how would I respond? How would I, as the CEO of the company, respond to that? If a stranger is walking by, decide to come in and try to put you and your company down, how would you respond to that? Would you keep on going or put yourself down and your company down just because someone who is walking by decide to say something? I'm pretty sure you will keep going, right? So the perfect example of this is you are the CEO of you, of your actions, of what you say, what you do, and of course you are the CEO of your life. So we all get hate at some point of our life. Like, this is reality, this is how it is, this is the world of today's day and age. But here's the thing, what matters the most is that how you take that in, how you take that hate in makes the biggest difference. Because if you take that in the wrong way, it might hurt you and bring you down in the long run. So like cyberbullying, bullying is getting super common nowadays, especially on the internet. Cyberbullying, like going on the internet, like talking crap about people, writing hateful comment, like it's getting super easy to hide behind a screen and write some hateful comment to other people and try to put them down. So like, just do not let strangers put you down and stop you from going farther and farther in life, because they're just a random stranger hiding behind a computer screen typing some hateful comment to put you down. So let's keep on going. You should always fight negativity with positivity, because if you decide to fight negativity with negativity, like if someone write a hateful comment to you and you decide to fight back with them with negativity, you two now are pretty similar, because you are fighting negativity with negativity. But if you fight negativity with positivity, I promise you, you will always win and you will feel so much better. Trust me. And you should always be in control of your emotions and don't let that negativity pull you down. Like, just because you find a stranger walking by, say something bad about you, don't let that hurt you. Be in control of your emotion. Don't fight negativity with negativity. And so comments from haters and negative people reflect on how they are as a person. Not like, it does not reflect you, it reflects them. So people who are happy and they feel good about themselves, they don't have to go out there and try to put other people down. So it's that negative people that are not happy, that are trying to put other people down. So you should feel bad for them, not feel bad for yourself, because they are in a bad stage of life, not you. There's a difference between constructive criticism and hateful criticism straight out. Like people will come to you and say, oh man, this is what you are doing wrong, I think you should do this so it can be better. That is constructive criticism. They're giving you good feedback on how you can better yourself or better this and that, compared to someone who just come across your channel or come across your page and just throw all that hate and negativity all onto you. Now that is straight on bullshit that has nothing to do with you, but rather it has to do with them. The fact is that they have their own struggle in life and they feel so down and insecure that they have to go out there and throw hate and negativity and try to bring other people down. Like it will help them to feel better, and it will give them a sense of accomplishment, like they have done something good. That's why some haters are just in a bad stage of being in their life. Like typically people that are confident and have a balanced and happy life are not the ones that are going out there and throwing hate and negativity around. People who have problems in their life, insecurities and stuff like that, they are the ones that are going into your page, going into your videos, going into your picture, your TikTok, and throwing hate and writing hateful comments. So just instead of feeling bad for yourself, oh my god, he said I'm ugly, all this and that, feel bad for them. Say, get well soon, brother. I hope you feel better. Stay awesome. One of the big problems that I see in some people nowadays is that they try to please everyone. They try to make everyone happy. And the fact is that if you try to please everyone, you will fail every single time, because you just cannot make everyone happy, because people will have different opinions, people will have different perspectives, and they might not see what you are trying to say or where you are going and your perspective in life. So instead of pleasing everyone, just focus on yourself and how can you get to where you want to get to. For example, if someone tells you that you cannot do that and you go ahead and do that just to prove them that you can't do it, then they're controlling you. Your mind is being controlled by them. So you see, you should always respect positive and negative comments by everyone. Good comments, bad comments, you should take that in the same way. Because if you overvalue and if you get overexcited and over happy when you see a good comments, then when you see a bad comments, that might hurt you down. That might hurt you. Like I'm pretty sure that will hurt you and your mindset will be down because you are overvaluing the nice comments, and now someone else is saying something bad, you will also, your mind will also automatically value that because you are overvaluing people's opinion and people's judgment or people's comments. So many people that are successful in doing what they are doing, of course they had hate, of course they had criticism. Like this is reality, this is how it is. And once you do push yourself out there too, you will have haters. Of course you will have supporters, but you will have those haters that will try to bring you down, that will try to break you apart. But just know who you are and just be yourself and keep moving forward in life and keep pursuing your dream. And once you are being who you are, you will be the most happiest person you ever imagined to be. So always be happy, always stay positive, and keep moving forward in life, guys. And I'll talk to you guys in the next video. Peace.